It is Sunday afternoon. About 2 weeks ago, we had probably one of the biggest snowstorms we have in a bunch of years. Dumped like 30 inches of snow. So this is the first time I'm getting out. So I decided I was going to come up to Trexler Game Preserve and do a little walking in the snow. And I already had quite the surprise coming up the hill. A little doe just eating grass, not caring. Walked, 3 feet from her. So, but yeah, it's a nice day. It's like 35, 36 degrees. We'll walk around, see if we can see what's out and about. There's plenty of birds. I hear lots of crows and vultures and all kinds of stuff like that. So let's take a snowy little walk and see what we can find. Up here. Well, one thing's for sure, if you're a snowshoer, apparently this is the place to go around here. It's really packed down. I was expecting to still walk through, a couple feet of snow, and it's like I'm walking on a hard packed trail. All the snowshoers have it packed down pretty good, so not complaining. I mean, on the steep stuff I'm still walking a little bit through the deep side just so I don't go sliding. But definitely a lot of birdies out today. Saw a bunch of little house sparrows and black cat chickadees. There's a couple vultures flying around, so we'll keep sloshing down the hill here and see what else we can see. Making it down the hill here. Nice and hard packed. Little slip slidey, but when it comes to that, and you just walk through the deeper stuff, but makes for a pretty walking. More deer up on the hill. There's one there. One hiding behind that tree up there. All eaten. Jordan's looking a little frigid. Definitely looks a lot different than it does when you're here in the springtime. It's all grown in with all kinds of brush and stuff like that. It's definitely a lot more wide open. Beautiful day. I know I say that a lot, but I really mean it. Any day when you get to get out, it's a beautiful day. I'm coming up to the red bridge. Lots of birdies tweeting. Sounded like those two were having a fight. I love these covered bridges. Just the fact that our area has so many of them. Some of them are rebuilt. This one you could use a coat of paint. From up here I can look down on the Jordan at all the fishing I'm not doing because everything is froze. So I've been ice fishing once. There's a lot involved, a lot of gear you need. And it seems like a lot to just go out in the middle of a lake, freeze your butt off and try to catch a fish. I mean, I do that with my waders. I don't need like an auger and a tent and a teeny weeny little dock rod. So yeah, ice fishing's not for me. You got the cool little ice water flows going on along the cliffside along this trail. It's always a cool thing to see during the winter. Here's the Jordan Ford, which is closed today. I have to get across it. So, a little too icy for that. So usually, my loop takes me up this side of the river and then up the really steep hill here. But yeah, I'm not feeling it today. I'm gonna take the low road, literally. Came up to see my friends. Kind of all sitting out there. And we'll head back to the car. Just gonna go up and see the bison, but the sun's getting kind of low there, so we'll head back. Still gotta go up the big hill. So that's about it for the day. It's a nice hike in the wintertime. The sun's going down as we trudge our way back to the hill. Like I said before, the snowshoers kind of made it a lot easier than I thought. I came out here fully expecting to walk through inches and inches of snow, not a hard packed trail. Thought I'll take the hard packed trail. So Trexler Game Preserve is a beautiful place any time of season, any time of year. You're bound to see tons of birds. I saw some red tails circling around, cardinals, sparrows. You know, summertime. You know, you watch my other videos I do here. Lots of cool things, butterflies, lots of other birds and stuff like that. So it's definitely a place to check out if you're someplace near or you're down in the Lehigh Valley for any reason. It's always a cool place to check out. But we'll trudge back up the hill and end it for the day. But thank you for coming with. Always appreciate it. And if you like my stuff, make sure you tell a friend. I like to show people some cool places around Pennsylvania and other places, and get people motivated to get out. So alrighty, that's about it. Have a good day. Till next time.